Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Now, if I look at the VIX is continuously falling. Interestingly, VIX has given the lowest closing. If I see the VIX chart, right, it has given the lowest closing in the last, I think, more than a year. Yes, this is the lowest closing of VIX since 2020, right? Since beginning of year 2020, this is the lowest closing of VIX. Um, It's a cause of concern because with low volatility, right, option buyers generally struggle to make big money. Option sellers are also not interested. So what are we seeing in the chart, right? What are we seeing in the chart? Let's get into the chart. Friday we had a stop loss in the live session, but otherwise the trading was good. Now if I look at Bank Nifty, right, Bank Nifty is completely range bound. It actually took a support near this low 44,550, which is a psychological support. It took a support and it's not breaking out this level, right? So Bank Nifty is actually trading in a very narrow range last few days, right? Sorry, I'll just take out this diagram. Last few days, if you see, it is actually not taken out this area, right? I'll just delete these two. Okay, it has not taken out this trend line resistance, and it is also not taking out, it has also not retested this breakout level, right? So it's actually trading somewhere in between. It's formed a hammer, but I am not convinced. I'll go back to 15-minute chart and show you why, right? Look at this chart. This support was confirmed and it went up, but this 45-minute movement is also influenced by the Sensex and Bankex expiry on Friday. There is no, the spot chart, right, is saying if it trades, if it opens around 44,750, between 44,750 and 905, it is going to be range bound. I am not going to be trading below 750. If I look at it, right, it can go down to 44,550 and 460. So any flat opening or a small gap down opening, I will be trading for the targets downside. Gap up opening, I would wait for market to open near 44,945,000, consolidate and then go up for the targets of 45,120 and 45,180, right? But flat opening, I am looking at bear side. Gap down opening, I am looking at bear side entry, right? Same condition, flat opening within 5-10 minutes. If I see a bearish candle, I'll take a short. Gap down opening, again if it goes back and retests this closing candle, I'll again take a short, right? I personally feel the market is gonna be trading in a range. We have a Finnifty to prepare for, right? Now spot chart is clearly saying that there is one round of dip which we can expect once the market probably touches this trend line too, right? So I'm primarily planning for a bearish trade. Only gap up, decent gap up of 100-150 points, then a retest of the trend line, I may look at going long with a small quantity, right? Now why do I say so? Let's look at the component chart. HDFC has not taken out 50% of the candle here. Same is the case with Kotak. If you see Kotak, right, Kotak is actually trading near its resistance. So both these components are bearish. For HDFC me to be bullish, right, it needs to close above this level. Now if you see, right, Axis, the story is the same. Story is the same. Did not take out 50% of this swing from where it started falling, right? So then what drove this bullishness? ICICI, SBI, right? These also contributed. IndusInd is neutral, right? But if I see, for me, HDFC chart, Kotak Bank chart, Axis Bank chart is saying there is some bearishness. ICICI also is now trading near its resistance. Probably it's a good rounding bottom created. If it takes a dip tomorrow, I won't be surprised, and then it could go up on Tuesday or Wednesday. But everything is looking bearish apart from ICICI and SBI. SBI has actually broken its trend line resistance here, right? So SBI is bullish, ICICI may become bullish, but the rest three components are bearish. The range may not be very big. Let's get into the option chart to see what we can find out in the option chart. typically if the market opens, say I'm looking at 45,000 P, which is an institutional strike. So any opening between this range, ideally it should not break this level of 258, 260 and then go up, right? There is a big range. Call side, if you see, there was a nice trend line breakout. Now it is trying to trade near the resistance. So for me to go long on this call, and we are looking at 44,800 C, I would like it to close above 320, make a price action and then take the trade for the targets of 368 and 396. If you see on the call side, I have less premiums to go long on. Put side, it looks a decent move, right? Monday, Finnifty also starts getting ready. Components are the same. I'll just look at the Finnifty chart. Better than Banknifty, right? Finnifty can show more weakness. The reason I say it is, if you see, Banknifty has actually taken out some levels because HDFC Bank and HDFC both had a weightage here. Now that HDFC is gone out, we'll have to see what replaces. But Finnifty is looking good if you get a bear side entry. I'll delete everything here. Let's see Finnifty around between 20,120 and 20,117. If it forms a bearish candle, take a trade for the target of 19,980. Guys, this is a round level. I am expecting a fall. If it opens gap up, I am expecting a fall right down. Flat opening, you will get less points. Gap down opening, it could take a support here. The reason I am saying it could take a support here in Finnifty is, look at this, the supports are built here, right? Any gap down opening, a big gap down opening of 100 points in Finnifty, I am not going to chase it, right? I'm not going to chase it. Coming to Nifty 50, I will not be covering any stocks today. Let's wait and watch and see, right? Nifty 50, I have been saying do not short, right? Nifty 50 is in a different territory. If you see Nifty 50, right, it has actually become very bullish. Tomorrow, if it actually breaks this trend line and comes to 19,514, if you see, it has confirmed a nice support. Let it break the trend. See, for you to go short, you need Nifty 50 below 19,460 and solid body closing in 15 minutes only, then go short. Else all these areas of 19,500, 480, 19,540 will all act as a support, and Nifty 50 can actually go up. Let's look at the components of Nifty 50. Bank Nifty less, but Nifty IT very bullish. I said Nifty IT do not short. Our targets have been met. Now tomorrow it can consolidate and then take out these levels, but Nifty IT is looking to go on a tear. All the components are looking good, right? From a stock standpoint, I had said look at Page Industry and Deepak Nitrate. Just see the chart pattern in Page Industry, guys. Fantastic. As in, I said buy it here if you get it. It has given a straight 300, 400, 600 point move. Same happened with Deepak Nitrate also. Where it opened, it has actually gone up higher, right? It's taken a support and it has gone higher. Now for me, Deepak Nitrate again tomorrow about 1950 can go and test 1968. So I may not look at any new stocks. I may just continue to look at these old stocks that I have in my portfolio. Deepak Nitrate is the only one that I would be chasing. Page Industry now I am not chasing. Apollo Tire, I have been saying one can short it. If you see from the levels that I had given, it is continuously falling. In fact, the target from a swing standpoint here is 397. So let it close below 412. You will see 14-15 point move happening in Apollo Tires over the next 2 to 3 days, right? So friends, that's it. For people who have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, switch on the notification so that you will come to know when we are coming live and we are posting any videos. Join our Telegram channel. We post a lot of good quality content, certain calls, certain stock options, positional, which you can benefit from our experience. And if you're liking the quality of our content, please share it with your friends and family members. For now, that's it. Again, on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, I hope you guys have good rest of the day and start your week with a bang tomorrow. Watch our analysis, do not skip, guys. Watch it daily and do try to make the best use of your time. Thank you, friends. Have a great day.